Hello all, welcome to Technostic. In the series of database management system, as we are looking into database system architecture, our today's topic is database users. So we are going to look up into four different database users. That are four main database users in our database management system. So the first one is application programmers. Application programmers. So these users are computer professionals who write application programs using some tools. These are also called as software developers or application programmers. So if you are writing the backend code or if you are developing any application, may it be web application or mobile application which is accessing a database, so you are in this category, that is application programmers. The next is sophisticated users. So these users interact with system without writing program or any application program. They form their request in the database query language. For example, data analysts. So you may have seen some database analysts who don't actually write the application or the program that is using the database, but they will just fire some queries to get some particular results. Like if in a database of a student, I only just want the name of the student and which branch they belong to. So I'll be the database analyst who will just fire the query in the database to get the data of student and their branch. Next is specialized users. So these users write specialized database applications that do not fit into the traditional data processing framework, that are database administrator. So they basically change the little bit of the schema of the database, or they change the relationship without actually affecting the entire database. So they just write the specialized small database applications which will change the output without affecting the main framework or main traditional framework. For example, database administrator. And fourth one, that is the last category, is naive users or naive users. So these users are unsophisticated users who have less knowledge of database system. For example, the person who doesn't know anything about the database, or what is a database, what are the database application, or what are the program application, but is just concerned with the usage or with the results. These users interact with the system by using one of the application programs that have been written previously. For example, clerk in a bank. So the clerk in the bank, when asked to submit the record of one particular user, obviously he will not sit and write application program, or he will not sit and write database applications. He will not even fire the query himself. He'll just use the predefined database applications which are specially designed to access any particular database. So he'll just he'll have a form, he'll have a user defined form, and he just have to enter the name of the user and the branch code, and then that clerk access the data from the database. So predefined programs are made for the database and he just have to use it. So these are the basic four database users, that is application programmers who make the application programs, sophisticated users who fire the queries to get certain requests from the database query language, using database query language from the database. The third one, specialized users who make the database applications which are not fit for the traditional data processing framework. And then naive users, who are just unsophisticated users who have less knowledge or no knowledge of database system. So here the example is software developers. Sophisticated users can be called analysts, like the example is analyst. Here the example is database administrator, and for naive users the example is clerk in a bank. So this is all there are many other examples, but these are the simpler examples that you can use. So this was all about the database users. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more such content to our channel. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Press the bell button to get the latest video updates to our channel. Thank you.